This video shows you a brand new way to run a Windows 11 on any incompatible PC or laptop without a TPM or secure boot. Recently, Microsoft has announced Windows 11, which brings many downsides to the hardware department. If your PC is running with incompatible hardware that doesn't satisfy Windows 11 requirements, then you will never be able to run Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. Now, this leads to an issue for older computers or laptops. According to Microsoft, if your computer is running on Intel 8th Gen processors and AMD Gen 2 meets their principles in terms of security, reliability, and minimum system requirements for Windows 11. Now, along with that, Windows 11 needs a TPM 2.0 or TPM 1.2 and a bunch of requirements like secure boot, UEFI to work correctly. Now, these requirements are kinda absurd and may lead a Windows 11 one of the least adapted OS in the history of Microsoft. Anyway, let me introduce my PC and I will prove that any PC or laptop can run Windows 11 on any incompatible hardware. Unlike other installation guides, I try to run or install Windows 11 on external SSD with persistent storage. In one word, install Windows 11 on an external SSD and connecting through USB 3.0 boots Windows 11. Now keep in mind, this is not a live session. Now instead of installing Windows 11 alongside on your existing PC or laptop, this method, which is found to be one of the safest ways to run Windows 11 on any incompatible hardware. The only prerequisite for this video, you need an external SSD of 64 GB or higher to run Windows 11. Also make sure your system has booted using a UEFI mode. Alright, this is my PC running Windows 10. Let me show you the specifications of this PC. Now, as you can see, the processor is Intel i5 3rd generation. If you recall, this was released back in 9 years ago. Then the graphic card which I'm using is NVIDIA GT 730 with the latest WDDM graphic model. Now, within the command prompt, if I type a TPM, that shows the TPM information. Now, as you can see, this system doesn't even support a TPM 1.2. I tried to enable it from BIOS, but it's not working as it should be. Now, after trying all attempts, I found a way to boot Windows 11 from an external SSD. Anyway, opening Rufus, you can go ahead, select your drive, which in my case is 120 GB SSD. Then under the boot selection, you can mount a Windows ISO. And under the image option, you need to pay a close attention here. You can see there is a option called a standard Windows installation that actually creates a Windows bootable USB. So I'm going to choose a Windows to go option that installs Windows 11 on SSD and makes it bootable through USB with persistent storage. This way you can simply plug and play Windows 11. Now under the partition scheme, choose a GPT and leave the other options as default. Do not choose an MBR because Windows 11 cannot boot from a MBR partitionized drive. Then click on Start. Now this will take some time to finish installing Windows 11 on external SSD, so sit back and relax and don't interrupt anything. Now once it's done, go ahead, reboot the computer. Now within the BIOS settings, let me show you guys that I have turned off secure boot. Then I'm going to choose the boot menu. From here I can choose the external SSD and boot into Windows 11. Voila, Windows 11 is running properly just like a normal installation, and this is one of the safest ways to try Windows 11 on any incompatible hardware. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you safely run a Windows 11 from an external SSD, aka live USB, with persistent storage support. Now if in case you like this video, hit the thumbs up button down there, subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you in my next one. Peace.